मतलब सब कुछ तुम्हारी वजह से नहीं होता कि सूरज तुम्हारी वजह से निकल रहा है, ये धरती तुम्हारी वजह से घूम रही है. सो द बॉटम लाइन इज इमोशनल अवेयरनेस गिव्स यू कंट्रोल नॉट ओवर देम बट ओवर योरसेल्फ. Hi, have you ever noticed how crazy it is that the people we love the most are the same people who affect us most in the most fastest way or like more deepest way? You might call yourself dramatic, but I would not say that. I would rather say that you just feel deeply and maybe no one taught you how to manage that. Hi, I'm Saloni and welcome to my channel. You know, in the long videos section we do talk heart to heart, and please stick to the video because by the end of this video, trust me, you are going to learn to love people without getting impacted by their actions. Yeah. Okay, so I am making this video in different steps, and trust me, all of these steps are very important. So I would recommend you to stick till the end to this video, and let's begin. So step number 1 is why we get affected. Like, it's the question we should ask ourselves. What I have done, I have noted down some of the points in my book based on my personal experience, and I will read them out for you. So here's the point number 1. We attach stories to small behaviors. So basically हम क्या करते हैं ना कि we read moods like signals. If somebody is not in a good mood, जरूरी नहीं है कि it is because of us, but we tend to take everything on us. That's when we start doing it subconsciously. Point number 2 says कि we fear losing the person we love. So अब pressure build कर लेते हैं हम अपने दिमाग में. Third point is our emotional awareness is very low, and that is what this entire video is about. कि we always tend to go with the flow कि okay, today we are chatting या today we are talking and then we are doing it day by day, and then वो आपकी habit बन जाता है, और फिर 1-2 दिन जब वो नहीं होता है तो we feel like कि oh God, am I losing it? या इसकी वजह से आपका mood पूरा spoil हो जाता है. Here is an interesting quote which I have read somewhere and I will read it out for you. It's not love that hurts you, it's the emotional confusion around it. So I think all of us, like you and me, we all are confused at this point in time. Step number 2. You need to look for the signs you are too affected by. Like, for example, see if your mood changes based on someone's tone, or it could be their silence feels like a punishment to you, or maybe आप ओवरथिंक कर जाते हो. लाइक यू ओवरथिंक टाइनी शिफ्ट्स इन दी एनर्जी कि किसी का किसी समवन एल्स माइट बी फीलिंग समथिंग एल्स ड्यू टू सम XYZ रीजन, बट हम सोचते हैं कि ओ शिट, ये तो मेरी वजह से हो रहा है. सो हम वी टेंड टू मेक अप स्टोरी इन आवर ओन हेड, एंड देन हमें sometimes it's not even the mood, it's just like we seek reassurance to feel like normal, or maybe the happiness feels like borrowed. अगर मतलब okay, if I have to put it in a like simple भाषा, I would say कि our emotional Wi-Fi depends entirely on their signal. These are the like छोटा signs when we feel कि हाँ भाई, we are too affected by their actions. The step number 3 is emotional awareness, and this is what we are talking about throughout this video. It is like the most important step, and it is the skill that can like change everything, I'm telling you. So we often think that we are reacting to them, but most of the time, you know what, we are reacting to our own unlabeled feelings. And here are few teachings I would want to tell you to like become a better emotionally aware person. So please note them down. The number 1 is name the emotion. Like, ask yourself, am I hurt? Am I overstimulated? Am I jealous? Or I'm just simply tired? So like, take a pause and understand. Please name your emotion. The second point is separate emotions from the intentions. For example, they didn't reply instantly. That is not equal to rejection. Point number 3 is check if it is just the fear or fact. Like, is it real or is it just your anxiety projection? So the bottom line is, emotional awareness gives you control not over them but over yourself. Okay, now that we understand what emotional awareness is, we will talk about point number 4, and that is actual art of how not to get affected. Under this step, I am going to tell you 5 truths and hear them out. Number 1 is emotional distance is not equal to emotional coldness. Being calm does not always mean that you are being detached from this person. Yeah. Truth number 2, practice the pause. हर इमोशन को आउट लाउड बताना इज नॉट एसेंशियल. Sometimes they might also be practicing the pause, and we need to respect that and understand that. Third truth says, don't personalize everything. मतलब सब कुछ तुम्हारी वजह से नहीं होता कि सूरज तुम्हारी वजह से निकल रहा है, ये धरती तुम्हारी वजह से घूम रही है. Jokes apart, but most people's mood have nothing to do with you. So अपने ऊपर हर चीज मत लो कि तुम्हारी वजह से ही हुआ है, कुछ अच्छा हुआ है या बुरा हुआ है. तो या ट्रूथ नंबर 4, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, स्प्रेड योर इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट. वन पर्सन कैन नॉट बी योर एंटायर इमोशनल इकोनॉमी. किसी एक इंसान की वजह से तुम्हारा मूड रेगुलेट हो रहा है अगर, देन देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग. You can choose to have multiple emotional pillars in your life. That can be your good friends, that can be your family members. So think about it and try investing in emotionally in different people so that it will help you in the longer run. Truth number 5 is respect the equation. If you feel that you are giving more emotional energy in any kind of bond, then you are receiving, then you have all the rights in the world to push it back, but gracefully. Okay, so we have almost came towards the end of the video with step number 5, which is how healthy attachment looks like. Like, if you are wondering how to distinguish between healthy and non-healthy emotional attachment, I have a few pointers for you and I will read them out for you. Number 1 point, you give without fear. Number 2, you receive without begging. Number 3, you communicate without overacting. Number 4, you create space but without guilt. Number 5, you allow love without losing your identity. So if you are still here and watching this video, I hope you are now able to handle your emotions in a better way and you are more emotionally aware person. I wanted to end this video with this cute message. The goal is not to stop loving people, but the goal is to stop abandoning yourself whenever you are loving people. Trust me, protect your peace because it is not selfish, it is emotional maturity. With this, I'm signing off. Bye.